Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there. Welcome again to my YouTube channel based Inspiration Kitchen. Today I'm gonna prepare with you a healthy, juicy vegetarian hamburger. I'm gonna use eggplant and I'm gonna show you how to make this eggplant patty tasty. I'm gonna use today my homemade whole wheat buns. So you will really love this recipe. Stay with me, let's do it. Let's start our delicious recipe. First step, I will take eggplant because we will need just pulp it. So I will show you how to prepare, but you can see my previous video, chicken eggplant caviar. You will see 2 steps. So just cut it in 2 pieces like that, here, and using small knife, quickly do it like that, and we will add olive oil, some pepper and salt. We put them in the oven 40 minutes, then you will have it like this. It will be like this one. So like that we will use just pulp it. So this is our first step. So I already prepared them for you, so easy. I will use them. My first sauce, I'm gonna not use ketchup, so I'm gonna prepare something special. Using chili tomato, use 2 color, 3 color as you find. Just set them here. Okay, some garlic, salt, season with pepper, and some olive oil. Easy. You're gonna really feel it good. Just like that, easy. And I will send them to the oven 15 minutes, 160 degrees. Now I'm gonna need this eggplant pulp it. It's easy, using a spoon, just do it like that. So I am okay now with this eggplant pulp it. It's tasty, will really have delicious hamburger. So it's like that. Just gently using fork and smash it like that. Just crush it. Perfect. I'm gonna add my chopped onion. So here I'm gonna add them here. Perfect. Now some chopped garlic. I have it already here. Perfect. Some chopped parsley. Just add it like that. Give it another flavor. I love this thyme. I will just add a little bit of thyme. Perfect. Now I'm gonna use my oats to mix it together. Okay, perfect. Okay. I'm gonna just blend it. So I'm gonna add it here. Easy. Perfect. And we need a little bit olive oil, salt, pepper, and I will give it Moroccan taste. So I will add a little bit cumin. Perfect. Now time to add 1 egg. Just perfect. And I'm gonna use this one to mix everything. Now I'm gonna take them, make some ball, and I'm gonna make like steak. Beautiful. This is a perfect vegetarian healthy hamburger you will ever eat. that. The hot pan, and make a little bit olive oil in, and just easy that. And I'm gonna use my eggplant. Gently put them here. Hot pan. Perfect. I will keep it like that. Now my burger buns, I will just put it here. Cook. Perfect. I'll put it here and let it grill a bit. I will take this burger to another level. I have here a half avocado in my fridge, so I will use it using a fork. Just smash that. Perfect. So perfect. Perfect. I will add yogurt, Greek yogurt, some lemon zest. Wow, perfect. 2 basil leaves. Perfect. Yup. Season with pepper. Just a little bit olive oil and salt. I still have here lemon juice. I will need it. Just squeeze it here, half lemon juice. Time to serve. By the way, here is my cherry tomato. Will give this barbecue taste to this hamburger. Beautiful. 2 colors, perfect. And we have contrast here. So I will serve. Just here, bring here my pan. And I will put this delicious sauce. Avocado, yogurt, basil sauce. Just put it like that. I will add a little bit of this cherry tomato. Look at this color. Look at these colors. Wow, perfect. Now I'll bring hamburger, steak, eggplant steak. Wow, perfect. If you want, if you love cheese, you can add it here. Now again, this tomato. Wow, perfect. Look at this color. I have here some shallot rings. I will just put them like that. Perfect. Now add on the top some more sauce like that. And here I will take a little bit sauce here. It's really perfect, delicious, easy, healthy. Just bring it here. Perfect. I'm gonna prepare the second one. It is our eggplant burger, our beautiful, delicious burger. You will really like it. Here I have some extra sauce if you like it later. So please try this at home. You will really like it. You will love it. See you next time. Another video, another recipe. Bye bye.